Hey everybody, it's Ryan. This is a quick overview of this fog works that's used for like smoke machines to make uh, fog. Pretty cool stuff. This is the first time I've used this particular brand, and I am impressed. I am impressed. This is some legit stuff. Very, very thick, white, just billowing out. And this is with a very small, relatively small fogger. This thing's only 400 watts, so not some of the big daddy ones. And I have it just with using vent, like dryer vents. It's been spray painted poorly into a foam cooler. Just some of those like plastic ice frozen box things. Kind of can see them in there. So it's not like I have to worry about like water or anything. And yeah, I mean, it's just like billowing out. So you have this like settling effect. This is like so rigged, it's ridiculous. It's not even causing the smoke to go through it. I just kind of have them thrown in there. But I mean, look how low lying this is. Usually you have to like pack something like this full of ice. It's got to really work through the fog, the smoke, whatever. It's really got to touch the ice. And just those being in there, not that long, like a couple minutes. Cut this thing on, and this is low lying fog if I've ever seen any. Very, very impressed. Like, surprisingly, I usually don't give reviews like this, but this is pretty legit. I literally just started recording this because I wanted to get the first reaction. I mean, that's ridiculous. Very, very impressive, and it's staying down. It's staying down, and this is actually hot concrete, relatively warm concrete. And so it's kind of fighting that from a temperature standpoint. If this was like watered down or kind of chilled, it'd probably be even better. So that's my honest, like literally review. First time using this high density. Maybe it's because it's high density. I don't know. Fog works. Hey, can't go wrong. Hope this helps. We'll talk to you soon.